What is ladder logic? Introduction. Ladder logic looks like a ladder, but instead of climbing it, this ladder runs entire machines. It is the most widely used programming language for programmable logic controllers. At first glance, ladder logic resembles an electrical circuit diagram. This design helps electricians and engineers easily understand machine control processes. Logical rungs. Each rung on the ladder represents a logical operation, such as turning on a motor when a switch is pressed or shutting down a pump if a sensor detects low level. Bridging automation. This visual structure bridges the gap between traditional wiring diagrams and modern programming, making automation accessible to diverse professionals. Follow me for simple ladder logic tutorials and real-world automation examples you can actually use.